Howdy everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. Today we're going to talk about the Runhood system. Power supply, solar panel, batteries, the whole 9 yards. Normally when you buy a battery station, power station, it comes with an internal battery. Everything is basically all built into one unit. So there's not much chance for any type of options. Runhood is unique because all of the devices here that you see are purchased separately. What you do is you go to their website and you build your own power supply for exactly what needs that you want. So we're just going to talk about some of these right now. First off, we have the Runhood host engine, 600 watts, and it's got your LED light, okay? It's got your display panel, which will of course tell you how much power you have going in, how much power you have going out. So first thing we want to do, because this is just a host engine, nothing to it, pull these off. This is where the batteries that you buy you'll put in. Right now there's nothing in there. So first thing we're going to talk about is these batteries. Okay, the batteries you buy individually. They come in a variety of different sizes and power wattages. Each one comes with its own power button and power indicator right there. So basically this one and this one are identical. They're 324 watts by themselves, which would make this 600 watts. Now on each battery, again separately, they didn't mail anything to me, but there's little caps that you snap on here. See how it's got the the groove here? End cap will go on there that you can buy. One end cap that'll fit on here has an AC outlet, another has USB-Cs, another has USB-As. You go to their website, see what they have. You don't have to buy those, but if you do, then this becomes its own power supply. Your power button, and then whatever you configure for the end cap. So you don't even need the host engine when you buy the end caps, and you could power your laptop or whatever else for the 300, in this case, 324 watts. We don't have the end caps. They didn't mail us any. By the way, this whole system is sent to us from Runhood. In exchange for this video, it's still going to be an honest review. So let's go ahead and put these in here. They snap in. And you hear the snap. To take them out, you just hold that open button and pull out. So now this becomes our 600 watt power station. You have your LED light, and then in the sun you probably can't see, so I'll show you the details here in a minute. But now here is our 600 watt power station with the host engine. You have your power plug, cigarette car lighter power plug, which goes in there. You also have the 110 outlet AC for your house that plugs in as well. And there's a third way to charge it. It's got a USB-C in and out, 100 watt in and out. So while it doesn't take very long to charge this from the house, if you wanted to hurry up, you can plug in your 100 watt C cable into an outlet or some other power source, and your 110 plug adapter, and charge 2 incoming units at the same time for a whole lot faster charge. You do have 2 110 volt 600 watt pure sine wave plugs. You have a, like I mentioned, your in and out USB-C. You have a output 100 watt C, and you have 2 quick charge 3.0 28 watt, which will charge your devices a lot faster than the standard plugs. You also, available separately, is this 100 watt 100 watt solar panel. So let's look at these a little bit closer. Okay, so this is how the solar panel looks folded up, nice secured, nice handhold. On the back here, like I said, this is 100 watts. On the back here, you have your zipper pouch. I've already got it connected, but your solar panel connector to the host engine does come with the host engine. But we've got it already connected here, and it just secures right in there. There's your power controller, 100 watts. So, undo those, lift up. You can lay it flat. Now I did flip this around to show you. You notice here, you have these pull-outs. So you could set it at an angle. And of course your power cables are right in here. And there you go, 100 watts. Now, here's all your little flaps. Now you notice it does have grommets up here, so you could hang it vertical if you choose. It also has top and bottom with Velcro, so you could hang it that way. It has them up and down. Here's some more, and here's some more at the end. And of course, fold it up like an accordion. Fold that down. Snap it, and you're ready to go. Okay, so here's our solar panel. I wanted to show you this here. Trying to do it a little bit. So here's our solar panel in. You notice right here it says 48 watts coming in. We are underneath the tree. That's why you're not getting 100 watts out of it. Stronger the sun, the more power you're going to have coming in. Here's your output. Right now we don't have anything connected. There's a closer look. your two 600 watt AC, pure sine wave. Here's your in and out USB-C. You have two quick charge 28 watt USB-A's. You got a 100 watt USB-C. You also have your 5 amp 12 volt DC outputs, as well as your regular power port there. Here's your LED light. Now, you know, when we have it on, now you can see that it's pulling 7 watts. Up at the top, you'll see you have 99 hours to go if that's all we did was run this light. However, if you have your laptop charging, your phone's plugging in or whatever, the top number will tell you the power that you're pulling out, the power that you're pulling in, and of course the top number would be how many hours or minutes you have pulling whatever power you're using. And yes, you can connect something to every port all at the same time. This host engine and the batteries we have are good up to 600 watts. So Runhood, I tell you what, I'm very happy with this setup. Runhood, like I mentioned at the beginning of this review, so many of the power stations that you buy, the battery is already built in and you get everything as one whole unit. Runhood, you go to their website and you build your own customized power station according to whatever you need. You start off with a host engine. This one's a 600 watt. Then you go to the batteries. You pick up the batteries that you want. And then you pick the little modules if you want the modules. You pick the little modules that go onto the back of these batteries, remember? Mentioned you put the little modules on here. You don't have to have it, but if you want to be able to use this by itself, the modules for AC and USB-Cs, you can get all that on their website. So you can have little baby items. You know, you can take one to the river instead of taking the whole unit. So you pick out your battery, you pick out your little modules for the end of the individual batteries. You pick up your solar panel if that's how you would like to charge it. And I tell you what, it's just great. Build your own system. I love it. I've been testing it for several weeks now. I use it a lot in my big rig. Love it. Great for customizing to your own needs. Gotta check them out. They did send us this in exchange for a review. I've got no problem standing behind this product. Tell them BigRigSteve sent you. We'll put links down below in the description box. We're hiding in the shade. But that was the only way that I could show you the display without getting all that glare. Hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely check out Runhood's website. I'm sure you can make your own power station to suit your needs. Take care. BigRigSteve out.